Transcription quiz number 8. Dear Miss Yang, your letter asking for payment of my overdue bill arrived in the mail today, period. Frankly, it was quite a surprise to me, period. I intended to pay the bill when it arrived 4 weeks ago, period. At that time, I wrote the check, inserted it into the envelope, and placed it in my desk, period. I was certain that I had mailed it the following day, period. When I received your statement, today, I look in the desk drawer, and there was the envelope, paragraph. I am enclosing check number 1501 with this letter, period. Please forgive me for the delay, period. I want to retain my good credit rating, and I assure you that I intend to take care of my financial obligations on a more timely basis in the future, period. After I write a check, I will not hesitate a moment before placing it in the mail, period. Sincerely yours,